My name is Emanuel Tivolde, 21 years old, and I'm currently studying mathematics in the master's program at TU Darmstadt. I decided to start the international master's program in mathematics because I wanted to keep the option open of seeing new places in the world, and if you study your master's in English, then there's not going to be any discussion if you apply somewhere, if you're able to communicate well because you studied in English. And also in mathematics, most of the papers you encounter are written in English anyways, so there was not a big step I needed to take to say, okay, I wanted to do an English master's. One thing I really like about the German education system is that they give you a lot of personal freedom in how you can schedule your plans, and no one checks up on you if you attended the lecture yesterday or not, which is different to some other education systems and also to school. But here you have your own motivation to go to the lecture because you know if I'm not going, then I can't hear how the professor explains me the topic, and I want to pass the exam with a good grade. So you're going to lectures out of your own motivation. Another point I want to mention is, of course, the free education system. So you don't have to pay any tuition fees here. There's just a small service fee for discounts as a student and for the public transport pass. And that is really a good financial decision as well. The classes here are also not too crowded. They are small-sized or medium-sized, and this really encourages you to ask more questions and encourages the professor to adjust his topics much more to the background knowledge of the students. And this makes you learn much more than if you would be in a class that is has dozens or even hundreds of students in there.
When you look at the interactions between faculty members and students at our departments, we definitely profit from the fact that we are not a ginormous department. So our students do not disappear into anonymous masses, but we actually get to form a personal connection to them. The goal of the master's program is that at the end, students are able to solve mathematical problems in a systematic way, and that they are able to use results from current research if that's necessary. And they should also be able to communicate about mathematics, both with mathematicians and with non-mathematicians. You choose your 2 specializations. There are 7 from which you can choose. So you can choose analysis, algebra, applied geometry, logic, which is something that you find at very few universities, numerical analysis, optimization, and stochastics. The math department in Darmstadt is not the biggest one in Germany, but it is actually one of the strongest ones when it comes to third-party funding, which is actually important for students because it means there are lots of ongoing research projects in which they can participate. And it also means that if you're interested in pursuing a PhD after your master's degree, chances are quite good that we might have a position for you. The Technical University of Darmstadt has quite close connections to its 2 neighboring universities in Frankfurt and in Mainz, which means that if you enroll as a student in Darmstadt, you have all the benefits of being a student at the TU Darmstadt. It also means that you can attend courses in Frankfurt or in Mainz. If you want to participate in the International Master's program, there are 2 requirements that you have to satisfy. First of all, you need to speak English, and you have to have a suitable certificate. For example, you have to have a TOEFL score of 95 or higher. And the second requirement is that you need to have a bachelor's degree in mathematics.
At the mathematics faculty here, there's a really friendly atmosphere. It's very easy to get to know new people, and you always find someone who can help you out, because if you're new here, you don't know which lectures to take, which are especially interesting, and everyone is ready and to help you out. And you also get to know people through exercise courses in which you tackle the exercises together in a group, and everyone is welcoming here. That's really nice.